Most people look at their 401k and they think stocks, bonds, maybe a target date fund. I looked at mine and I thought, who can I lend this to? Because I found a legal way to use my retirement money to fund private money loans, collect interest, and pay zero taxes on the return. And if you have a solo 401k and you're not doing this, you are leaving serious money on the table. Hey, I'm Ashley, corporate attorney, real estate investor, and private money lender. And today I'm breaking down one of my favorite wealth building moves that almost nobody in the private lending space really talks about. And it's using a solo 401k to fund private money loans. Now, before we get into it, this is for educational purposes only. I am not your attorney, I am not your financial advisor, and this is not legal or tax advice. Talk to your own CPA and attorney before you do anything. All right, disclaimer done. So let's get into it. Here's what most people think retirement accounts are: savings vehicles. Okay, you put money in, you pick some index funds, you wait 30 years, 40 years, and hopefully there's something there when you retire. And look, that's not wrong, but it's not the whole picture, right? So, what most people don't realize is that the IRS actually allows retirement accounts to invest in a much wider range of assets than what your employer's 401k plan offers. Real estate, tax liens, promissory notes, private loans. The limitation isn't just the law, it's the custodian. Your 401k at your job will not let you do this because they're not set up for you to do this. But a solo 401k, an SDIRA, that's a different vehicle entirely. So, what is a solo 401k? It's a retirement plan designed for self employed individuals or business owners with no full time employees other than yourself or your spouse. And if you have any kind of business like a side hustle or an LLC, a consulting practice, you might qualify. And here's the part that changes everything. A solo 401k gives you what's called checkbook control. That means you are the trustee. The money sits in a bank account in the name of the trust, and you can write checks directly from that bank account. No custodian approval needed, no waiting period when you want to make an investment. So when a borrower comes to me, a real estate investor, they may need a short-term private loan. Instead of writing that check from my personal bank account, I can actually write it from my solo 401k bank account. The loan goes out, the borrower pays interest, and that interest comes back to my retirement account. And here's where it gets really juicy. If my solo 401k is structured as a Roth, then that interest income grows tax-free, right? Not tax deferred, tax-free. I don't pay income tax on it. I don't pay capital gains on it. It just compounds inside the account and I access it in retirement completely tax-free. Now, if it's a traditional solo 401k, the growth isn't tax-free, but it's tax deferred. So you'll pay taxes when you withdraw it in retirement. Still a significant advantage because you're deferring taxes on income that would otherwise be taxed as ordinary income today. Okay, let me be very clear about what just happened. I lent money, a borrower paid me interest, and that interest went back into my retirement account without a tax bill attached to it. That's the move, okay? Now, because I'm an attorney, I have to tell you what the rules are because there are rules. The IRS has what they call prohibited transaction rules for these types of retirement accounts. You cannot lend money to a disqualified person, including yourself, your spouse, your parents, and your kids. The loan has to go to a third party, which in the private money lending world is almost always a real estate investor that you're funding. Could be a business, could be for other purposes. But the loan also needs to be structured properly, right? You need a promissory note, you need the right security instrument, all the standard private lending documents. The paperwork does not change. What changes is the source of the funds. And you need to be working with a custodian or a plan administrator who specializes in self-directed IRAs or self-directed solo 401ks. So this is not something that you go to Fidelity's website and you can just set up, okay? There are companies that actually specifically set these up and administer these types of plans. So do your research, ask for referrals, make sure you loop in your CPA because you want to do this right. Now, real quick, if you're watching this and you're newer to private money lending and you want to understand whether it's even the right move for you before we get into the whole retirement account piece, I have a free course called Are You Built for Private Lending? Now, I'll drop the link in the description and it walks you through the basics of the mindset involved in being a private money lender to help you figure out if this is the right lane for you. Okay. Because trust me, it is not for everyone. All right. Now, here's what I want you to see. The wealthy don't just earn more, right? They build systems where their money makes money and they protect those returns from taxes as aggressively and as legally as possible. Okay. That's not tax evasion that we're talking about. We're talking about tax strategy and tax planning. And the solo 401k is one of the most underutilized tax strategy tools available to everyday investors. I'm a corporate attorney. I'm not going to stand here and tell you to do something shady, but I will tell you that the rules exist and they're very clear, and most people just don't know about them. So now you do. The question is, though, do you have a solo 401k? Do you have a business that will qualify you for a solo 401k? And do you have capital sitting in a retirement account earning 6 to 7% in the market when it could be earning 10 to 12, 15, 20 in secured private loans, tax advantaged? That's the conversation I want you to have with your financial advisor or your CPA or whoever's looking at your money. Take this video with you if you need to. And if this opened your eyes, drop a comment. Tell me, did you know a solo 401k could do this? Because every time I bring it up, I get DMs like, wait, is this legal? Wait, I never heard of this. Wait, how much money do you need to have? Yes, it is legal. Yes, it's one of the smartest things you may do this year, right? So like this video if it helped you, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next one.